Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me finally doing the Biweekly Contest 142. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. As some of you might know, I ran the marathon this weekend and I've been just absolutely, like, I don't know, destroyed, honestly, a little bit afterwards, and just haven't been able to get the mind space into it. But better late than never, especially if you're watching this in the future. So let's get to it. We have the Biweekly Contest 142. Yeah, this is a virtual live recording. So yeah, it's just to kind of give you a sense of how Larry would have done. But if you're looking for an explanation, it'll be in the description. Or the links will be in the description, and I'll try to explain as best as I can for each of the problems. But yeah, I think that should be good. Let's get started. Let's say scroll down, virtual contest. All right, am I ready? Actually, where's my notebook at? Okay, I have my notebook. I have my pencil as well. No idea where it went, actually. Well, maybe I should have been a little bit prepared before hitting record, but okay, fine. Well, let's hope I don't need it. I mean, I have other pencils, but I okay. All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. All right. So is it? Is this a double problem? It is a double problem. Okay. This is such a weird problem. I have to think about what they're asking, really. Okay. Well, I always forget what it is. I think this is for easy one. This is actually a lot of work. Okay, fine. So then I want this, right? So then now for what does this mean? For each one of these, we get one extra. At most one, so you have the original string, and then it's just 1 plus 3, right? So yeah, okay. I mean, that's fine. So then nope. Okay, come on, Larry. 403. I have to do the original one, I guess. Okay. Don't know what fell, but hopefully I'll fix it later. Tree. It's a non-binary tree. It's a functional graph tree. S sub I. Man, this is a lot of reading. Maybe I am not ready for this. Alright, find the closest. Is this make the one time all nodes from okay, so we do it for all nodes that is not the root. Find the closest node y such that oh man, this is such reading. Find the closest node y to know such that y is an ancestor. And okay, so it is an ancestor and also okay, fine. If node y does not exist, do nothing. Otherwise, okay, so you have And then now node 3, you want to, it removes itself. So basically it is some kind of funky thing. How do I want to think about this one? I mean, there's only 26 things, so you just keep a track of it recursively, right? I think that should be fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not an easy one, but it should be doable. Yeah, okay. Child, right? So yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, it's annoying, but it's fine. So we want to say, okay. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. Okay, so then now for I, P, and enumerate parent. So then the ith index, the parent is if P is not equal to -1, that's fine. Then we have children of P append I. Okay, so now we're Gucci, and then we have two depth for searches, say, or just recursive thing, right? I'm just let's just go. Don't think. Okay, and then we have the current node, and then the last scene type thing. Okay. Yeah, and then yeah, okay, and then we could just convert the S to okay. So then now we want to remove. Oh, we should have his parent. Yep. So then now, if last seen, okay, if no, it is okay. If last seen of node, node is the index. Is Sn of the node is not none, so we set it with none. Then that means that parent or the children of the parent, we remove node and we trying to fit. Do I need to, the recursion could be very tricky actually, because of this simultaneous thing. I don't know if there's a race condition thing. I don't think so, but we'll see. Okay, so we remove the child, and then we set the last scene of Sn of node dot add node children of this. Okay, and then now previous is equal to last scene of node. No, last scene of Sn of node. So then we do recursion on the order child for C and children of node. We calculate the children, the node is the parent, and the new last scene, that last scene of Sn of node is equal to this node. and then afterwards we want to reword it back, right? And then now that should be good. So then we do go of 0, -1, none times 26, and then we just go to just to actually get the answer of the number of children, right? So node answer is maybe this might have to. I wonder if we're going to get an iterate. I think that fixes it, but I hope so. Okay, anyway, so so then now answer, I'm gonna just put 0, answer of no, go to of C, and then we just return answer of no, right? Standard recursion stuff. I have to add a +1 here, it's not quite right. Set have no append. Where am I appending? Oh, right. Oh, okay, well, that's not quite right. I mean, this isn't right anyway, I don't think, but... Updating 3. Here, we're updating 2 and 4. Something feels funky. 3, 4, and 2. Oh, I guess that's true actually. It's just that you don't really update them per se. That's why it's a little bit weird. But okay, because it's the same thing. Okay, so then, so I think updating is right. Then why is this not right? Do I suck at the easy part? I suck at the easy part because I forgot to call it. I keep doing this actually. Okay. We'll see. Okay, good. There's some minor like implementation things there that I wasn't sure about. The algorithm I was pretty okay with. But yeah, let's go. Q3. You're going to integers, stay score and travel score, and cities 200, 200. Country of n cities, and okay, so there's an n square graph. The tourist k days. Each day they could stay or they can move, and they could choose any city. I mean, this seems pretty straightforward. I'm just okay, so the stay score, and then the current destination has a point thing. Yeah, I mean, this seems like a straightforward dynamic programming thing. We'll see if Leetcode screws me on this one, because it should be just n times k or n squared times k, which maybe is too slow, but we'll see. Yeah. Current and yep. What is the, oh wait. Oh, the stay is the, I was getting a little confused on this thing, but this is a double thing. Okay, I mean that's fine. So stay is equal to k, then we return 0, we're done. Otherwise we want to take no tick, so, or we just stay no stay. Yeah, so then score is equal to stay score of current day plus go current day plus 1. Yeah, okay, fine. S score, and then travel score is equal to maximize. Okay. Negative infinity, say. And then now we want to just travel for every one, right? So d in range sub n. S is equal to travel score of current to D plus go D day plus 1. And then if S is greater than T score, then T score is equal to S. And then, yeah, if T score is greater than something like that, I think this is pretty fine, right? Maybe not. Did I mess something up? Why would it go out of bounds? Line 10. I'm so confused. Oh, I messed up. Well, they said it in the wrong way, so it's day current. Okay, well, 2 and 6 is very wrong. Okay, so you stay at city 1. Or, I'm lazy because I started at whatever. So we actually want to do the min over though. So, yeah, I mean, okay, fine. I would say though, I'm glad because it would have been very easy to, let's see if this times out, but it was very easy to make a mistake on this one, so I'm glad that, maybe it times out and then Leetcode makes me sad anyway. Okay, it's good. All right, let's go. Q3. How am I doing on time? I have hour and 12 minutes left. Oh, I guess the leaderboard is not real anymore, cause or like, I feel like the old virtual contests, they tell you like the ongoing rank and not the final rank. So that's actually, the leaderboard now is useless, which is actually kind of sad. I don't know how they mess things up even more, but Leetcode finds ways to do it. Okay, stop ranting. Okay, there's a modulo, so let's focus on that first. Mod. Don't forget the mod, Larry. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is different than Q1. I thought so because I couldn't figure out how you would just read. Okay, but given a word with given a positive integer k, the total number of possible original strings such that might have length is big, k is 2000. All right. I guess we'll see what happens. What does it mean? What is k again? Okay, so if there's no k, what is the answer? If there's no k, this is 2. Is it 2? There's one string for the original string, which is 0 A's and 0 B's, and what is k? Oh, k is length 3. Okay, what if there's no k? If there's no k, it's a dynamic program. If there's no k, then it is just 3 times 3. Is that true? Because you have 3 degrees of freedom on A. No, you have. No, that's 3 degrees of freedom on A. How is this 3 then? Or how is this 8? Isn't that 9? Is the math? Is my math wrong? If there's no k, then what is the answer? I need a pencil for this. This is a pencil problem. Okay. Okay, so now we have. Oh, I guess it has to exist once. So you have A, B, A, B, A, B. No, that's 9. Okay, so the only thing that cannot exist is AB, so which just makes it 8. Okay. Can I do a prefix sum on this? I feel like I should be able to do a prefix sum on this, but it's not exactly k though. It's at least k, so it's not always necessary. Is that too many dimensions? Probably. 5 times 10 to the 5th. No, it could be like 2 to the whatever power, so that cannot be crazy. But k is... Why is k so small? Dun, dun, dun. K is small so that you do the opposite. This is a trick. They're trying to trick you. So that means that you actually want exact or k minus 1 or less. Can I do k minus 1 or less easily? That's 2000. So my intuition should be right for the naive case. But, and then you subtract out, let's say you only have two things. Well, we have a lot of, I guess it doesn't really, only matters about consecutive. For 5 times, for, what's that, half a mil? Well, half a mil, you can do a lot of, well then K would have to be really big. Is the math right? Can the math be right? Is it too expensive? No, that doesn't make sense. That would be too easy to mess up the math. Okay. Can I write this mathematically? So let's say we have, okay, so 3 degrees, so you have 3 degrees of freedom. When you take, so in theory that would be a regular DP, but there's just too much, too many things, too many indexes. Even if you just have like 10 choices each. No, because then you'd have like 500 times 1,000 or something. And then it would be 1,000 times 2,000. Is that way? What is the, maybe the worst case is in the worst cases I think it is. Well, if we have one thing, if we have two things, no, then it's the square root, right? So what is this? So 707 is the worst case. So 707 times. That can't be right? That seems too silly, but okay. Let's let's try it just because that feels right on the math. So it becomes a math problem and not a programming one, but I think that's maybe right. Maybe not, I don't know. But I don't have any ideas, so I feel like maybe getting a penalty is fine too. Okay, so then now we have whatever. Okay, and then now we want to say k length of s, right? Okay, so if k is too small, then all of them count, right? So if k is greater than length of s, then we just, or even you go to, or is it the other way around? No, the other way around. Because if k is too small, then all of them are possible. Yeah, because you can't go any lower. So then it is just the summation of all the products, right? Okay. Well, I think we have to do this anyway, so okay, P is equal to 1. Okay, so then now in this case we just return P. Otherwise, then now we have to do a DP, right, of index left, right? So index is equal to n, where n is equal to length of s, and well then if left is equal to 0, wait, okay, focus now. You want k or less, or less than k. So that means that auto inverting is hurting my head. So you want less than whatever. So that means if it's greater than 0, I would say this is return 1. Is it return 1? Okay, let's use real things. That's how I need to do it. So let's say k is 3. We get to the end, so k is 1. That means it's too short to that. Okay. Otherwise, we return 0, and then also left is. Okay, and then now we just do 4. There's probably, I don't know if this is right, we'll see. Something like this. Well, maybe not. oh no, but this is P minus this. Okay. Is this right? I don't know. Let's try something funky for a second. I mean, it has the right answer, but times but let's do at least a little bit of testing. That looks okay. I don't know if it's actually right. Oh, because it just has different K. But that's not the worst case, possibly. Worst case is maybe A. That's still not the worst case, but I think that's an interesting case. Okay, that's fast enough. And then the other case would be yeah, whatever, we can actually just skip this part and make it so that S is equal to 700 times 700. That's actually fast enough. Okay, well, let's YOLO submit. 518, okay. If it times out, I'll be a little bit sad, but I also don't know if it's just a Leetcode thing, if it times out. I mean, maybe they'll hide the case, so I wouldn't even know it anyway. But, oh, wrong answers. Oh, okay, fine. I thought I needed to add a mod here, but then I just forgot. I was like, oh, wait, I forgot. I changed it last second, so yeah. Okay, that was a little bit silly. But the annoying thing is that we might still time out. So that's a very silly 5-minute penalty. Yeah, okay. I thought, what is this? I guess I didn't choose the K to be enough on my examples. I think that, okay, I messed up on my testing because I didn't choose the K to be enough. I mean, 8 seconds is not fast, but it's definitely, yeah, okay. I messed up on my testing because I thought that I tested the harder enough case. But, okay, so what I should have done is, I forgot about that case, but K is equal to 2000, say, right? Then now 2000 is part of this. So we have to do a little bit better. Yeah, this time limit is exceeded. Okay. I mean, if I had tested that, then I would have, but of course, this would have been whatever. How much time do I have left? 10-minute penalty is a little sad though. Already. And I should have, I mean, this one, okay, focus, Larry. It's okay. You can cry about it later. What is this? Let's see. Just want to see what the composition of this is. There was no chance it would have passed, so okay. I thought, oh, I'm dumb. This is 700, but then this is a for loop of 700. Can I compress this for loop? Yeah, I mean, I did the math wrong actually. It was more of a prayer, but I mean it is right, just not fast enough. How would I make it fast enough? So this left minus x. So this is a sum over a range. Okay, I don't know why this is actually I got this. I got this. Come on, Larry. You got this. 53 minutes. This is. You should have. Come on, Larry. You just didn't. I don't know. I think I did the math wrong. I didn't focus enough. But okay. So that's gonna be n times k. What is that anyway? N is only 41 on this one, but I mean it's just a range sum. Index of left. I mean you've done this one before, but I don't know why I'm kind of. Yeah, you've done this problem before. Come on, you got this, Larry. You got this. But even if you are not thinking correctly, but you just can't do it the naive way. That's why. Okay, so slow down, Larry. It's fine. Let's rewrite this for a second. We know that this answer is this thing. Okay, let's open a new window so I could at least keep this code actually as a verification for me converting this to top down. Okay. Okay. Don't prematurely optimize. You have to optimize, but not now. Focus on doing it afterwards. Did I not change this to big K? Let's change this to big K. Okay, write the dumb solution first, and then we can focus on later. Okay, fine. Right. Let's do it the other way. I'm too lazy to think about this. N is okay. Gucci and whoops. Oh yeah, I actually did remember what's gonna write. And then it's just zeros anyway. This shouldn't be right because everything's zero. I didn't set the base case. But I just want to see that it is hopefully slightly faster. Actually, what the? How did I? How did this give me an answer? Everything should be zero. Oh, because it's p minus this. Okay, fine. That's fine. Okay, what's my base case? I forgot my base case. This is why. So index is equal to n. So we just want dp of n of order left equals to 0. Okay, that's actually pretty straightforward. Hey, that's very wrong. Hey. Left is greater than 0. Okay, so that means. Oh yeah, because we want something strictly. Okay, that's fine. Technically, I guess we can just remove an index, but I think this is fine. Okay, so now we translated to bottoms up. First thing to do is space optimization. Okay, yeah, let's do it. I mean, really, you can do it both ways, but actually, let me again reopen a new window so that I don't have to worry about messing up. I mean, or whatever, so I can have a copy of it. Okay, so this is good. Everything should look the same, except for that dp sub left. We look at it as previous, and now pdp is equal to dp. It's not quite space optimized, but whatever. Oh, I'm supposed to put in this ridiculous case. The answers are different, off by a little bit. Why is that? That's not great actually. Actually was expecting it to be the same. K minus 1 again. And oh, I see. Because this should be the base case is wrong. Oh, I kind of set it up incorrectly. Okay, so now we're still at the same, and then now we just have to optimize out this thing. Yeah, okay, that's not that hard, right? Because then now this is just the sum of all these things, and then now we could do a prefix sum. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then now left minus x. So, okay. This left minus thing is a little bit confusing, but should be fine. But anyway, I have to do it in 2 different loops anyway. For the brief. So then now left minus x is greater than 0, so then it goes from, so x actually goes from 1 to left, or 1 to, so x goes from that, or s index plus 1. Right, so then now we it's equivalent of I'm gonna get some like off by 1 indexing. Is that true? No, x goes from 1 to the min of that, so then the indexing is going to be, so what is the, okay, this is too hard for me to do normally. Okay, so that means that for min x is equal to 1, so it's left minus 1. Max x is going to be either left or s index plus 1. In either case, so it's going to be either 0 or left minus s index plus 1. Oh, the plus 1's outside, maybe. So then now effectively we're going from this number is the max of this, max of or from left minus 1, which is left. Okay, so someone like this and then mod it, of course. I'm probably off by 1 or something. Well, this is returning 0. I recognize that number, so we didn't do a prefix sum for the beginning. That's why. No, that's not true. We do it. We do it. Right. The indexing is so hard for me in general. I am just really bad at it. Oh no, because it should be inclusive, so the second one should not have this one. Okay, still doesn't change anything, but let's actually print out prefix real quick, just to make sure that it's doing something. But yeah, it's not doing any. So the prefix is just not right for this one. Plus pre. That doesn't make sense. PDP left from 1 to K. Yeah, so what? Oh, I'm dumb because I put 0 times this and it should be. I suck at programming. Okay, I mean, we have a different wrong answer, but that's good, maybe. I don't know. But at least the prefix sum seems to work, which is good. It doesn't seem to. Well, I mean, that's just a function of this thing, I think. So, but at least the prefix sum is actually working, because it's nice to be not an idiot for a second. We have 40 minutes, we should be okay. But the indexing, I'm so bad. Maybe I need a +1 here. Nope. Okay. I know I'm just having off by 1, so let's slow down. Okay, so then we have left is 0, say. I mean, left being 0 doesn't matter. We should never do anything with it anyway, because left of 0 is always 0. So okay, right? Prefix of, so let's say this is 1, then this is 1, which is way wrong. This should be left +1. I think there's a +1 on both sides and I just messed it up. Nope. This is way too big. Is it inclusive or exclusive? I don't know, maybe it's this. Maybe the 0 is, okay, maybe not. No, the 0 should be fine. Okay, let's do this again. We have this loop. This is so hard for me, because I am not a smart man. Okay, so we have this loop that we're trying to optimize. Go from 1. If x is 1, we go to left -1. This part is weird. Oh, it's left -1 +1, so this should be left. I think that's actually right. That's why I was overcounting a bit. Oh, this thing doesn't make sense, but okay. Are we seeing negative numbers? No. We're just seeing really big numbers for some reason. Maybe we are seeing negative numbers, but what should this be? I mean, this is definitely wrong, because it should not be this. Is it the max of this, or is it the min of this? The min doesn't make sense though. Am I just doing a +1 by accident? I am doing +1 by accident. I am just not a smart man, but okay. I mean, you're smart enough to get it done, I think. Let's see if it's actually right. Okay, check your mods, Larry. Alright, let's give it a submit. I'm just a little bit lazy on double checking. I don't know why I submitted the time limited one though. That was not going to be close. But this is good. This is Gucci. A little bit sloppy, a little bit not paying attention. Would have been 75th. Would have been higher if I didn't make the 10 minutes penalty. But would I have been, how high would I have been anyway? So like 45 to 75. I mean, one of the wrong answers is legit dumb. Not taking account the model after subtracting is just such a new move. And I usually leave it in there just in case, but today I just, I don't know, I just didn't leave it in there just in case. But, and then the other one is just time limit, because for some reason I did the math in my head wrong. So, I don't know. But yeah, overall, I thought this was a good contest. It was a fun one. yeah, I mean, I don't think I have much to say about this contest. I think it was a pretty straightforward contest. I just kind of misunderstood Q4 a little. I mean, I misunderstood the bounce a little bit. I was a little bit YOLO and hopeful. But yeah, that's all I have for this contest. Thanks for watching. And yeah, not bad on the bi-weekly. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.